Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got not one, but two of our TMG Volunteer traditional flow Texas style offsets. Now we got one going to the great state of Texas, one going to Arizona, and they're both set up similarly, but a little different. So let's check them out here. Now, first off, you may be thinking, why do we call them the Volunteers? Is it because of our great volunteer football team here? No, that's not the reason. The reason is because here at TMG, we are volunteering to help save Texas style barbecue. We're doing that with our volunteer smoker. All right, now this smoker, she ain't no slouch. All right, as you can see, I'm about 6'11" 3/4", and this is a big ass smoker. All right, we got 52 inches wide, 27 inches deep, 1/4 inch steel on the smoke chamber. On the firebox, we got 3/8 thick steel, so extra thick firebox. We'll open her up here. Now, this particular unit does not have cooking grates in it. They will come with cooking grates though. Okay, that's important. So we will get the cooking grates in there. We got fold down stack, that's standard. TMG Pits Tell True thermometers, wire mesh front shelf. As you can see, it is on our off-road package with the upgraded wheels and tires from our guys Mods down in Texas. Now folks, we have about 38 sets of Mods wheels and tires in stock at all times. Tons of options to choose from. Also have the built-in griddle top, right? Now we do cut out the firebox underneath this griddle top, so it does get very hot. Great to cook on, do your breakfast on there, smash burgers, etc. Now we'll get on. Now that was David. We got on a man Sal's Volunteer here. Similar, all right, we got a stainless steel front shelf on this unit, some different style, upgraded wheels and tires here, and then just got the standard firebox here. D-ring tie down points on all four corners, still got that fold down smokestack. So there's two of our volunteers, about to load them up on a trailer, ship them across the country. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.